I'm Ryan Coates from Adelaide. I'm currently doing Certificate 3 in Electrotechnology.
Richard Lane from O'Donnell Griffin. We're an electrical contracting and service organisation. I'm the state manager of the South Australian business.
I got my apprenticeship started by doing some research into that field first to find out what my options were.
I've been with O'Donnell Griffin for 12 years and we've been using group training apprentices for pretty much all of that time. Currently we would have around about 35 to 40 group training apprentices.
I came across my group training organisation, which is PeerVeet, and they seem to be the best choice for me.
We've had a good history there with the group training scheme people, and it's been a good partnership.
They asked me to come in for an aptitude test and then an interview from that point, and basically gave me all the information I required to make an informed decision on that career path.
The benefit of taking the group training apprentices is that we believe that they have a very good screening process. We think that the disciplines that they impart upon the apprentices that we get are excellent.
Tony Hartley is my RTC, so she oversees everything, and Craig Mitchell, he comes out and visits me on site, makes sure everything is going fine. If there's any problems, we'll both sort them out, so I can turn to either one of them. They're very open and approachable.
The field officer role is very important, and it provides the communication between the employer, the host employer, and the group training scheme provider.
I'd recommend approaching a group training organisation. They offer amazing support in the chosen field.
Depending on work demands, we increase the numbers of apprentices we have, or decrease depending on what's going on, but it's very easy to put the guys on.
It's very important to follow your passion when choosing your career.
We look for someone that can demonstrate a real passion to the industry, and that can be demonstrated through some of the courses they may have taken at school, some of their hobbies outside of school, and some of the project work that they've been involved with, the work experience.
You've really got to choose a career that you're interested in and that you're going to be dedicated to.
We move the apprentices around from workplace to workplace, and part of that is to try and expose the apprentice to different styles or different types of work, whether that be commercial work or industrial work or service work.
I think loyalty is very important, at least first on. I don't want to be employed with them for 4 years and then say see you later.
We believe that they have had a pretty solid training working with us and through the group training scheme provider, and they ended up being a well-rounded tradesman.
I think my career opportunities are very high, very good with O'Donnell Griffin after this time. Obviously I've done my whole apprenticeship through with the one company, and they're quite happy to date, I understand.
We support our apprentices as much as we can. If they come to us and ask us for help or assistance, then we've got plenty of people in our organisation to help them through that.
Ongoing education and upskilling is very important to achieve your final outcome and your goals. It opens so many avenues.
If you get a really good apprentice and you can train them, get their skills to a good level to suit your business, and also work within the culture of your business, then there's some really positive outcomes for both that employee and the employer.
I think the world is my oyster, to tell the truth. There are so many avenues into this field, it's ridiculous.